Wait till tomorrow, because that pussy are too bright. Pussy mouth Foota swipe. What you want, what you do now? Come explain to you what happened. We have to tell you say what go on and this go on. Dog, we don't have nothing to explain to you about nothing pussy. We don't owe you an obligation. I want to you, Batty boy, you don't play no role in a dancehall boy, yeah. Dancehall no one see you. Remember, run we go in America and a pussy I play for 15 and 10 people in a club, you know. That me I tell you, you feel like we owe you nothing. Pussy. Remember, uno the type of selector we start when we travel long time and come back. I tell we say, how much killer suck on one time and how much stinging over their blood killer do, you know. You hear, oh, you can't go as far. If you tell people, say, when two girls suck your wood, it's going to get you in a type of mood. Oh, you know, blood killer, that. I hear Farrid the Bumpa go on, you know, all of them songs that you to sing for, you know. I hope when you start talk and call your name pussy, you know, do nothing. Because you notice every time you talk about equal rights, your voice tone gone away because you know it hurt your feelings. I chose you not call your name yet. Pussy would not mix one another thing because we don't own obligation. You get what me I say? Me not see no girl a dance and a lick out the girl but in front of me. Me never see it. And you alone blood clot see that. That's why you can't come here and talk about, oh, Lady Shabba, Lady Shabba. Look for which man could have looked for a man and a call him a girl. I could have never seen a call a girl a lady. Big batty boy, a long time on a freaky boy and a pussy. That's why killer the power don't you know. Remember say killer know where ma do you know. Anytime when you start move shaky, killer jump on the link. Go away you figure away. No go like you don't want to come bully down the business. You get to me I say I feel like you don't want to come intimidate the youth them boy, but not me. No blood clot me and you don't know that too. That me I tell you no. You come go like man who you not now you so no unfair. You matter about Mataran can do anything and Mataran put on him alright if you want to put on film wig and that means it's okay for Mataran because why? Mataran is not a dancehall selector. The last time I checked, me know Mataran are one of the column them in a dancehall. As a selector, that's why me want to know you are what. So it's okay if one of the column them I do all of them fuck with it then and you are right with it. But if I want to get to you, them will rise and not rise on a phone umbrella, you have a problem with it. So understand a pussy boy. A whole heap of you to try hold down. But if you don't try hold down, me a gun down and you know that pussy clot. I want to know. Go reverse up in your mama 35 times. Pussy. You feel like you can't intimidate no man boy or do no man not the boy. You know that too. Because I see where you're depending on. There's some tracing thing you depending on that. I got a shot to show you want to start around here and I mean I depend that with you in a pussy. Put it in a music I go up on the stage. Me hold you and kick off your face. Batty boy. With your bumper Farrid. Foota swipe. How you feel like? I want to you go like you're nobody for we report to. All of a sudden this pussy I feel like him. What you doing that dance all that? Me soon I try to pick up True Bounty Killer one of the artists them no way. You know Bounty Killer one of the man them will beat the artists them but that you are try to pick up pussy, it not gonna work pussy. That me I tell you because you can't frighten no man around here. No man. Batty boy, no man you can't frighten around here. Especially me. And you know that too. Pussy. I when you feel like a sleep dog with your pussy mouth. I mean, then no more tracing with you, dog, because there's some tracing thing upon that. So you can't go and trace and taste and do everything what you want blood killer do. When the brownies start calling your name, I hope you different pussy. John was star, yo. They will always find work guy glass, you know. So from what day, I ease myself and I try to keep myself calm. You know what I mean? And I try cool and ease myself. This batty boy, him now. Foota swipe. Foota swipe. Who is you in a dancehall? Who we mindful of? Remember, say you are the next L.A. Lewis in a dancehall, the selector version. You know? Who is you free mindful of that? What you do for dancehall? Yeah, what kind of column of dancehall? Bad man, if you're dead out of dancehall now, we don't be saying not even 9 nights we go, you know. Who you in a dancehall? What role you play? Eh? What we for the report to you for what we are doing a dancehall? Nigga, fuck you, son. What you do for music? Who is you for we you tell we what to do the music? Remember a long time we know the freaky thing on here and everything where your woman a sing boy and do, you know. She experimented for you for a long time, you know. A long time you and pussy, you know that. The amount of pussy you suck not even condom so much, you know. Bad man, who you? A girl we are entertain. When Mataran come put on him wig and skin out in a bed and so Bunty come theater, you know. And I take picture with blood killer 2 man pan it in a wig and them blood killer. Oh, you know say nothing. When Noah say all I selected them a Jamaica batty man, or you know disrespect Noah. Or you know say nothing about it, where you come from. You know Jamaican again. Eh? When the America play and the girl them over there wine van girl, or you know say nothing about blood clot that. When you feel low man, bad man, when you feel like say, when man I do, you see who they know? You see anybody will rise, like our DJ Bank and them youth, they when I rise on the phone umbrella, and try to fight the youth, them thing. I saw when they stay a bad charge. When you just feel like say, anything when on the phone umbrella, and they push out, you know, pussy on you and that. If you low man and go, man, look how long man they a dog, I will out, none of them give the strength, boy, a dog. A bad man, who is you free man, mindful of and pretty up. I want to hear the girl, them want to do them thing, them do them blood clotting, you go a man busy do that girl. One go and one girl now bring that away. And that's how we think the bad man. You go like a two man in front of you wind up. Or two batty boy. How you feel like bad man? And go man and sit down man and stop fight the youth, them thing bad man. And you see that look pussy mouth the way you have it always put you in a problem, you know. You see you talk about balcony man, them balcony drive man, them a freak and all type of fuckery. Remember the last time we go on a Blackberry pen and you still not learning a youth. You see that pussy mouth the way you have Foota's wife. Bad man. You take youth. Watch yourself and stop it in a youth. Can we realize something now, you know? You see them selector here. We bust one time. And I think I go on for them and true, you don't know the thing I change now. From for them way and I go on next different way. Them take Instagram feed. You see, you remember what matter around it, though? Him start him after that. When them see them career a sink in a hole, them take Instagram feed and social media. Call up a bag of people name and disrespect a bag of people. They're going to cool the fuck bad man. You go like say you're nobody for report to. Or you're nobody for play music for please. Go push it now your move and press play. Where you feel like Foota? I want to you go like you can't come style the man around here and disrespect the man around here. And feel like I saw it go. I want to remember where we come from and this for this pussy. Remember I saw our things there. You know that too. So don't go on like you play fool for catch wise. That me I tell you. No one self dog and low man. Bum buckler do no go like man I beg no nothing. Never saw no dance it and tell them to give me a song. A bad man, if you go and low man bag and go man, bum buckler, everything man do want to try fight it. Want to find a way to try go on it. You get what me I say? Go and low man dog. Bum buckler. Remember your girl clown in the dog, your biggest girl clown in the dance hall, you know. That me I tell you now, one different world you live in, you know. One girl lick your chip, you know. Yeah, L.A. Lewis, the selector version in a dance hall in a different world you're in, you know. That me I tell you, you know. One pussy lick your chip. That me I tell you. So you can't chat to man and tell man, boy, I want you. Batty boy Foota's wife. Sleep, man.
Burn out DJ Banker yesterday. I'm a burn out Lady Shabba. Likkle Shabba. But I start calling him Lady Shabba now. Zin? Listen the reasoning of that. Twitch, listen this, you know. The boy of them, I play one dance at Jamaica. I have a girl skin out the next girl back way. And I lick out her body hole in the dance. Zin? And Shabba, Lady Shabba, we play Soul Supreme. Big up Junior P and Wito them and my friend them. Long before Shabba play them song. And I dupes them. But this now have nothing to do with Uno. This have to do with dancehall and my legacy and your legacy, Twitch them legacy, Mataran them legacy, everybody legacy where do dancehall. Zin? I burned them out yesterday, Zin, for that nasty act. The video gone viral say a dancehall that are happening. It happened run a Balcom Drive, run a Waterhouse. Zin? I burn out every bad man who live a Balcom Drive. Zin? Them could have million gun, or could have make million duppy, or could have do a million things. The promoter boy will keep the dance. Me no rate you neither. The whole of me I tell that. I'm in a response. So when me there Jamaica, me now walk with nobody. Do anything you don't want to do. Anything come out of my mouth, can't go back. The whole of the bowers dog. The whole of the shaky. Now, in response to what me say yesterday, Likkle Shabba put out back a video today. Say him a this back Foota hype. All know. Twitch, listen, you know. The man do a video. Zin, here what him excuse is. When Mataran did put on wig and about Bunty come for your dinner, me never say no. Me burn out Mataran and the wig thing. And burn out Chris Diamond and the wig thing. All I wear it. The fact remain. Mataran put on the wig a film yard and do one video put on him Instagram at this Bunty. Mataran never do that in our dance. Me never see Mataran in our dance in our wig. Shabba, all Lady Shabba, all know you don't come tell the people how it reached to the point where you are select and a girl lick out a girl batty wall in a dance and you leave from round the sun, go in at the midst where them a do them thing, and I say any man want them would suck for coming at the niggle. Where Mataran wig have to do with that? Where all dancehall reach there, so you talk about wig. And so me know you want bitch and you're a boss for sure. You can't even come explain yourself. All dancehall reach to that you come talk about wig. Major hype and them man that them skit and a hack and a ray. You call no one name, no one say him an American and him an a Jamaican thing again. And Jamaican selected them a batty man. Ah, ray. That mean no one tell a plane say him in America and him Americanized. You, Shabba, have a girl a lick out a next girl batty wall in front of you. The girl will touch you with her hand, touch you, and a grab off of the mic. What you say? Your video where you do a reply to my video now explain nothing about that. You can't say anything about Foota. Say Foota a girl clown, Foota a Jamaican, L.A. Lewis are selecting, all of that. You're good. Say anything what you want to say. How you allow a girl to name a next girl pussy in front of you? Then, him saying in video today say, we the all selector, Twitch, listen to this what the man say now. The man say, we the all selector before them. Go on away when things not go how we used to deal with it. He must say basically a new time now and a new thing are go on. That he must say in the video now. And I say, who is me for him report to? And who is me for him play? Oh, we want him to play. I know how we want him to play youth is the culture. The culture named dancehall dog. So when you go play like you're there, a hip hop or a go-go club and a set work in a dancehall, brother. So your video where you do a while ago say yeah, this back me, you know. On the show we say you're idiot in a dog. And you're nasty bad in a dog. You're bowers, you know, you real bower. Junior P, you have to take this into consideration, you know. That you have something wrong with it. But you see video a man do a while ago. Me I look say, alright. Me diss them up yesterday. Me think say Shabba go come now with a video where make me feel bad in myself. You know what I say? If him even say, yo, Foota not my fault, I did the promoter, or I know him can't say it never happened, you know. Or him can't say I the promoter fault or not me in a dog. I know him can't defend himself on that, you know. You come at that, but who remember Foota, you're the biggest girl clown and remember this. That now have nothing to do with what me I say. You have a girl lick out a girl body in the dance. Oh, you reach to that, Likkle Shabba? Oh, you reach to that? DJ Banker, oh, you reach to that one responsibility as selector. Uno the pipe piper. Uno the pipe piper at the dance. Uno the pastor in the ceremony, dog. Uno fi know what I do, dog. Uno fi know what I do and what I project. Me attack Likkle Shabba and DJ Banker. You understand me? Very upset over it. And a dancehall me do, zeal, and that a degrade my culture and my genre work. Me never see no selector do that before me. And no selector in my time not do it. So me don't know how uno know. After our generation, and that not gonna bring dancehall to. And that not do. And then you gonna come do video. I try act like you're a bad man and I thought, boy, you come from Maxfield, batty boy. Any man defend you from Maxfield for what you do. Him worse than you. Him a bigger bowers than you. Him a bowers with a gun. Batty boy with gun. So any boy want to take up your problem, take it up. Because you know, nigga like me ain't scared no time. No time. And me I say this again. I mean not afraid to say it. The man them run a balcony drive. We say them a bad man and I run the place and stand up and make that up in a dance and a skin in the teeth. On a figure. On a bow bad boy. Tell me nothing. Dance like Garrison thing. Garrison thing, Rude Boy thing, dancehall, and a shaky place. Our dancehall culture not build up off a nastiness. I want to know, brethren. You understand me? I say, so now come go on like, out of order, man. One of the two man industry in a bright face, they and rude, then you come call Matara name and some other selector name. You ever see them man they in a dance or do them something, the dog? Which part? You are talking about Matara put on wig. Matara put on wig in him house. Matara never wear a wig go dance yet. Shabba, don't get me wrong, you know. Cause me don't want people get me wrong, you know. Shabba, you can eat a little pussy if you want, you know. Shabba, you can't have two girls fuck one another if you want, you know. But in your house. In your house, brother. Not in the industry where we are work. You can have a 3-some, 10-some, million-some if you want. You understand? But not in the dancehall arena. We will not accept that, brother. You can be a freak anywhere you want to be a freak, you know, but not in our arena. Not in our thing where I project to the world. Not in our thing, brother. Do your thing behind closed door. But don't come going like that is what dancehall is. That is not what dancehall is, brother. You understand me? I say, if you have a limit, you know, to licky dog. As you see little money pull up dog, on a licky man. As a man put up a money, make a girl do that to that girl, let you run. And what you think you're there? Have some respect for our culture, brother. Have some respect for what feed we. Uno na no kids. Uno na no picnic. Uno na no picnic, you don't think you're picnic them all up on YouTube and see them nasty something the dog. What is wrong with you, brother? What wrong with you? Remember, say, Jamaica we born and grow. 876. Jamaica, gangster place. Super Cat, Josie Whale, Ninja Man. Uri. Leroy Sibbles them, John Wood them people. They want to want to carry with thing go. Don't carry with thing this, youth. Don't carry with thing this. DJ Banker. Likkle Shabba. I'm not forgive you for this. You not to heal me. You not to deal with me. Zine. You not to link me, nothing at all. But as long as you not try to mash up where we build and where people before me build, because I not say me build it. But I never see Sky Juice do that. I never see Squingy do that. Never see Mataran do that. Never see Links do that. Never see Richie Feelings do that. Never see Twitch. Never see Superclad. Never see none of them man that do it. If you check sound system all over the world, I never see that happen. So, what you not do? Me against it. Me only not for being a friend. Me not for being a friend, you know. You understand me? I say, once you move out of line and shake it, you not have to deal with Foota. I would have prefer you not talk to me neither. Would have prefer you not deal with me, brother. You understand me? I say, you not have to deal with me. Me not need no friendship. You understand me? I say, stop trying to mash up my industry where we work hard in. And music alone me do, dancehall alone me do. Me not do nothing else. Me don't know if you don't have side job or what. Don't ramp with me, dog. You understand me? I say, right now, boss me supposed to turn in I'm grave. Boss me supposed to turn in I'm grave. Can't I talk about gangster business? I don't know nothing about gangster business. Boss me and stranger them responsible come drive. Had them turn up welcome drive thing. Them man they never in a freak thing and a shaky thing when them man they alive. So all that happen in the man them community where them build and set them standards as gangster place. New League music, the boy them have a girl in the dance. I lick out the next girl batty wall in a dance. And them a select and a hype up the girl them to do it. Run a water house, run a balcony drive, run a bad man place. Me pissed off, me hurt, me mad, me fucked up, me distorted. Yeah, me not depend on that. Me hurt. Hurt. Likkle Shabba, Lady Shabba, where your name, suck your mother. Banker called me yesterday, me and Banker talk, and me show him a vibe. And him say, really and truly, Him not have nothing wrong with the way me I say. I just, the mother part of me tell him go suck his mother. So banker, me and your mother never have nothing. In a reality, I not fairness, me a big man. Me never have to tell you go suck your mother. So, my apologies to your old lady, but me not apologize to you. You and Shabba disgrace dancehall. DJ Banker and DJ Likkle Shabba from Notorious Sound disrespect dancehall. Violate the code of dancehall. Violate the principles of a culture. Wanna violate that. And there's no way you are Shabba, Banker and Shabba can't tell me say them are Bowers. As long as my life exists, uno are Bowers. You understand? Because once you accept that, brother, uno are Bowers. You understand what I say? Yeah, big man thing. And still a select, and the girl will touch Shabba and then I'll stretch for Mike. Which part that I come from? Gone too far, you know if you have limit, Regine. You know if you have limit. I want to know dog. You know if you have limit. Or if you in a dance and me. That for go on a taboo and lucky 38. At them place there. Them thing they promoted dog. Or if you do that. And you expect me, Foota hype, I gotta laugh with you know. Laugh with what? Probably if me in a dance they would you know, fight broke. And that me I tell you. Probably they would have to shoot me and kill me around there. Would have to diss me. Come would have diss them two girls, let me tell you. They would have to get this. Would have run them out of dance dog. Come in a wish dance hall. Come do what? Anyway, I don't want to spend my whole day upon that. But Shabba, your video where you do, a waste of time. Because I know you not tell the people them say, no, that never happened. Or a lie. Or the promoter calls it already. You can't deny say it happened. You cannot deny say it happened. You come and talk about girl clown and Ray. Yeah, me a girl clown, me alright. But me a one girl clown where smart enough to know say me not fi eat no pussy. Me a one girl clown where smart enough to know say me not fi make nobody do that in a dance hall. Me a one girl clown where smart enough to know say shaking is not fi go on in a dance hall. So, it look like a girl clown away. Try be a girl clown then. See? Anyway, I see him think make Beanie Man there for war with bad boy Trevor. Oh, name girl Trevor. I see him think make Beanie there for war with name girl Trevor. Go in a dance and a boy girl for suck man hood in a dance. And Beanie Man have to get mad. Blaze Black Shadow. Suck out all of your mother them and all are black. Bright. Anyway, yeah. So me I say, can't bring them things to dancehall dog. It not gonna be accepted. Foota not accept it. No, in black already, Mark Cole. In black. In black. Anyway, next topic. Spice. More and big up Spice. Today, more and big up Spice for my life. Zine, Spice just appear pan Love and Hip Hop. Today it come on, right? Today. Come on yesterday? Last night. That's why everybody more about it. Big up Spice. Is a big move for dancehall. Zine is a good look. It's a very, very good look. And I want to talk to Jamaican media, you know. The radio and the TV and the internet blogger them. Zine, why? When the great things them happen, you don't call nobody for an interview. But when something bad happen, you don't run to call people for interview. Right now, Charlie Black come up on Wendy Williams show Thursday morning. That's another big thing for dancehall. See? So, Charlie Black's Thursday morning, Spice last night, Conscience, I have a song with him and Major Lazer and Marshall Montana. We're playing at the halftime at the NBA Finals one night. Oh, I not hear nobody talk about that. But them are going to call Spice for interview, for ask her say, oh, the batty boy I say she not look good. Is that the high point of the Love and Hip Hop thing? No, the high point is one of our artists. our top female artist, was featured on a big international series, Love and Hip Hop. Why you don't call the woman and ask her, how did that come about? How did you feel when them call you? How does this enhance dancehall? How does this help our culture, our genre? Una go call the woman and ask her. But one fish, when they pan Love and Hip Hop, when it exists in the world, nah, nothing at all. But you know, I ask her about the achievement and the great link for them and Love and Hip Hop. Una fi go, man. Some of the media people fi go. You understand me? I say some of them fi go. Some of them fi go. Sometimes artists fi listen to, man. Sometimes when they get run off of people's phone, man. Sometimes artists fi telling about the mama, man. And I like one of the girls them in a Love and Hip Hop, this Spice. So you say, Spice, oh, that girl like this here is a nobody. We don't have nothing to do with the show. So what you want to do now? Spice figure do interview, board a shit keyboard there, and highlight him and turn him in a superstar for what? We not call the woman and ask her about where him suffer. Ask the woman how was the trip, how was the show, how was it meeting Cardi Red or Cardi Blue or Cardi Pink or what the girl name, and the rest of the girl. Ask Spice about that. Ask Spice, did they show them a good time? Did they love Jamaica? Them enjoy with culture? The stage show you carry them love it? Spice not know him. John no dog, wanna make the thing look away, B. Wanna make the thing look away. Big up Spice. Yeah, do the damn thing. You understand what I say? Big up Charlie Blacks, yeah, do the thing. Big up Conscience. Yeah, do the thing. Tomorrow night basketball game again, you got hear Conscience song again. Talk about them thing they be. What you, when acting on Conscience, everybody call me if you know what I'm going. Acting up in studio now. Oh, me no sooner highlight that. Oh, me no hear not call him and I interview him say, oh, you just build a brand new studio, it's beautiful. Right? Warm to the positive them. Warm to the positive them. Me go lock down best of the best, them not call me. What the big suck pussy song come out, them a call me. To ask me about song. Me no eat pussy or me no do interview about a song where eat pussy. Me no know how eating pussy go. Me I do good out there in the world and now call me about that. As a little mix up on a call. Foota want you for this interview, what go on to no matter, man. I only make the thing a work, sir. Only make the little younger one them last and fool dog. Only make the little one them feel like a hunger dirt them can do for achieve. Because a hunger dirt in our project. Hunger dirt in our project. Out of that good situation with Spice, why una call the woman about the dirt? Warm to the rest apart. It's a big thing, you know how much people in America sleep out of the audition door them. If you come and Love and Hip Hop, you know how much people buy a little tent and go pitch out at LA to get TV series. And Spice get an appearance for the reality series. And all the media can call her for ask her, say, why the batty boy are this her? The batty boy they have a value in no count, and I sound excited as a fish. I sound excited as a fish. What the fuck when I call the woman phone and ask her that for? Call her and ask her, say, Spice, how do you feel about this appearance? How did this come about? How did this happen? What does this mean for dancehall? That means dancehall is going through the roof. That means dancehall is climbing barriers. How do not do that? Why not do that? Why not do that? Spice now. Pandy our success to get pan a show. Because you know them lock out Jamaica and everything. So she get in at this and it's a good thing. The whole are we proud. We Jamaican patriotic. Even if you have some people when I like Spice, she dep on the program, we're happy. We're glad. Because I wanna we. All if we're not say eye to eye, I wanna we. And our local media, instead, uplift the movement. One negative something I'm aware one boy I despise. And I said she not look good already. Remember him about him and him now go say Spice look good. Him now go say Spice look good, you know. Him a fish. Him now go like her. Come about him and him more say Foota look good. Or Banker look good or some him will admire a man. You understand what I say? But him now look on Spice in a good way. Cause to him Spice I'm mate. To him Spice I'm competition. You understand? Because he's a fish. You understand what I say? So him not gonna ever say Spice look good. Him not gonna find Spice attractive. Cause man him a look. So why, who don't know? I gotta try highlight him. When the girl do something so big. You know much people dream to come on a TV show? No man, come on, we need to stop that. We need to stop, Reggie. We need to stop. Media house, we need to stop. Or something we not put on the front page where demoralize the country. Something we not to hear about. Something when it happen, if you just say, yo, dash or that. Because Pitney and read paper and them something there. I want to know. When the good thing them happen, you now post them. The most time my phone ring down, you know. And when something negative I go on, you know. You see, every media house I call me, you know. What the big name catches phenomenon I go on and big name catches song. Every media house I call me for my opinion. Me no eat catches, me no know if it's true, no. Or you gonna call a carpenter and ask him to interview pan off a fly plane. The carpenter don't know if a fly plane. He know if build dresser and cabinet and them something there. You understand what I say? So no stop, no follow nobody about negativity sell. Good news sell. But it's what you project. It's what you project. The media now project nothing good. That's why nothing good now sell. Because them now project nothing good. You understand what I say, Bridget? You need to chill, dog. You need to cool out, dog. You need to cool out. And them nasty people with them nasty thing, keep it personal, dog. Keep on a nasty thing to yourself. Don't try push it on dancehall and act like it is dancehall culture to be a bowers or be gay or be shaky. You understand what I say? And most of uno woman to be blamed. Because enough time, a boy we know say him shaky and him can't go dance. But him come at the dance with 4 girls. And when the people them run them out, the girl them about, no, I'm a friend, I'm a friend, I'm a friend. Joke thing. Joke thing. Joke thing. And the girl them a wind up on one another. It will lead to other things. Me not understand if you're not gay or you act gay. Me not get it. Cause if me straight, me go act straight. If you're gay, you act gay. Or a girl go act like a lesbian and then look for me and tell me say she ain't a lesbian. When a female a wind up on the next female and I squeeze up her breasts and I slap her up on her body and I stab her like a back she do. Or you have to tell me say you're not gay. Me not in your bedroom, so I don't know where you're going with, but your action when I see you do in the party, tell me say you're gay. It like now when you're in a dance, you're in a dance and play and the selector check are you there dance a party and the selector check on how make you want broke for me back? What make you see 10 girls bend over back style and 10 different girls run behind the match. So the man them are what? The man them in a party are what? Me see some man to go out to the woman and the singer and he make him woman do that to her friend when she a party and him stand up there. A old champagne buckle and a drink. So you give up your position as a king for your woman be a lesbian.
Hey! Hey!
You understand? So when me up on my life, me no want nobody come with not joke thing. Cause we not look into the thing. This girl wine pan girl thing is very annoying to me. It's not attractive. It's not good looking. It's not nothing, and it's against everything I was raised on. It go against everything when we believe. It go against everything when we grew up and learn. When we play Dolly Horse, when we Likkle, man I fight for play mama and papa, not auntie and niece. Me never hear that yet. When we play Dolly Horse or we grew up Jamaica, me dying for wind up on the woman for say, yes, she and mama and me and papa, that me a deal with. When did this phenomenon of girl a wine pan girl come in? It's not phone culture, a people culture and I take up, you know. All of them girl we say I do it now. And about we have fun. Remember back when you are picnic and grew up, if that did your intention for wine pan girl and them something, they never did it. So clearly it shows on the last. And when the selector and the artist them empower this movement, it shows that you are double last. So you don't need to be at the forefront of dancehall, because dancehall is something that's supposed to keep people in line and keep you morally stable. You understand what I say? It's supposed to keep you morally stable. So if a selector go say, me can't stop girl from wine pan girl, you can't stop them, but you can try. You can enlighten them, some of them last. So if you are the piper, as the selector, the artist, and you last, and you make the last crowd a lead you worse a last than them. You don't need to play no dance. Enough man take dance thing for joke thing and I realize that dance thing is like a church. You don't have to have a building as a church, you know. You have the multitude, which is the fan base. The crowd will come out for listen is the multitude. You are give a testimony when you select. You are DJ. You understand? You are give a testimony. So your testimony can't corrupt it. The people them done last, and I look to the liquor for answer, and I look to the music for answer. Zine? Because remember, enough people you see in a dance here party and enjoy themselves. Them have problem. Them guilty conscience are killing them. That's why them drink so much liquor. That's why them come and dance till them sweat and drop. And if a 10 party, them want to go the 10 of them, because them can't stabilize themselves without the alcohol and the noise and the environment. So you have to help keep them guided. You know how much people we select and keep the morals and save them? Ladies, this girl wine pan girl thing, stop it. If you're not gay, don't act gay. See? That me I tell you now. Find back on the moral sense that. Find back on the roots. Think about what you learn when you not grow up Jamaica. Not because you're there America. Think about what you used to do when you're there Jamaica. You're an American, you're not Jamaican. Even if someone is born American have Jamaican parents, hold on back to the Jamaican roots. Look at Shabba can't style me, because I know him can't talk or girl lick out Batina dance in front time. In video, in the video, I know him can't say nothing about that. So him can't style me. Anyway, as me I say, when my dancer friend them I do it, me burn out every single girl where I wine pan girl. Whether them are my friend or them are not my friend, me no response. Me care zero. All the while me burn out this and a one time. Remember me stop my party them in a limelight and run out people for that. Remember say me in there play and girl come in there wine pan girl but them come from foreign and me stop the dance, lock it off, plug out the sound, everything stop sell. Me no want no more money, me no want no more nothing. Me done. Can me talk to them and then nah here and still I do it. And me tap it dance. And done the party. Ask anybody. Ask anybody now, man. Me no run joke with nothing. See Gaga there. Gaga did there. Me no run joke with nothing. Alright, see somebody tell us me do it at Atlanta too. Me no run them joke there. Me no wanna get a wine pan a girl in front of me. It's not cool. It's not cool. Me no play. You understand? Me no do that something there. It's not cool. Me no think some people understand what God asks of them, you know. Me not think someone don't care about God and what God a deal with again, you know. Me think you just care about yourself and care about what you think say you want to do that. You see me I say? Nicky Trends, tell them. Me not preach one thing and practice something else. Me practice when I preach that. You understand what I say? So now if you know them things like that. This girl pan girl thing I get outrageous. Me see as a song put on, girl come wine for the kulu. Be a girl a jump back a girl and hold up girl breast. And if a man go beg her a dance, she about no, I'm doing that. Cause suck your mama girl. I want to you. I'm man you have to dance with. So you're willing to make your friend feel up your breast and feel up your front. And a man can't even dance by you. So what you try to say? When it reach to that? When it reach to that? Tell me now. How it reach there, sir? I see him reason make me not go strip club again, you know. I see him think make me not go club again, you know. Go club one time, you go club, and man get lap dance. Man show money in a girl G-string. You go club now, girl a get lap dance. Girl a push tongue in a girl mouth. Go wine in a girl face. Me not stay in this, sir. Me no want to see that. Me no depend that. Me no want that energy there around me. Me no want God see me in the place of the devil. A party. The Bible tell you, you know, don't sit in the seat of the scornful, you know that. So enough people don't know what them are doing, you know. Oh, go club, turn up. Girl a wine pan, girl you in the house of the scornful. And you carry yourself in there, you know. Go club, people them not call you, you know. And you go, pay your money, carry your soul, go give them, you know. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm try remember that. When some things start reaching in our life, try remember that. Remember when I have picnic. Enough people me say a message me, mind your visa, mind them kill you, mind that. Mind God hate me. And that me I worry about. Mind God hate me. That me I say. Mind God hate me. Visa man-made. Zine, money a man-made. Everybody need money to survive here. Yeah? But if you don't have no money, God can make you survive, see me. And God will make money come to you through the right channel. You understand what I say? Me, afraid of God, more than I'm afraid of man. Me, afraid of God, more than me afraid of man. No found out going like say, I'm afraid of man, but I'm not afraid of God. That me notice you do know, yeah. And every date me take. And every bookings me take. Some girl where in a dance hall can't call me for play. You know why? Because me know where them party I go bring. So certain girl out of Jamaica who know say a lesbian or a be a girl. How she go call me for book me and Foota take the date? When me know what I got at my party. Me know say when me go to a party, a be a girl me go see a suck girl tongue and a wine pan girl and dress like man. And me know why in that environment there. So me not go take that date and no matter how I broke, no matter how much money I want, no matter how my light bill want pay, my rent, nothing like that. I'm not gonna take that date. And God will send me a different promoter with a different atmosphere, dog. As when I say, when you say Shara kiss a girl in Florida, and I ask the picture, and them send me a picture, and she wasn't kissing the girl. Them a wine pan one another. I burn that. Burn it to ashes. Ashes. And when girl a wine, girl have them hand pan them back here, rub them. I talk about them something all the while. But until you send me the picture with the kiss, the picture when you send me is not a kissing picture. I see it. Brother, a man just say, now watch that, it's better than beer, man. You know, I can't agree with your dog, Zine, hear why. No found don't understand what the word homosexuality means. Homosexuality does not mean a man and a man together alone. It means a woman going to a woman is homosexuality and a man going to a man is homosexuality. So me can't say, Lord, the woman them make them fuck one another, but the man them fake recover. How that work? That don't make no sense. And the only reason why uno man zine accept woman and woman a fuck is because the music video them, the rapper them, the rich people them we only look up to, alright with it. The only reason why I don't accept woman and woman sleep together because of you Hefner them, Playboy magazine them, is subliminal brainwash, subliminal conditioning of the mind. Zine is the subliminal conditioning of the mind from me a youth. Playboy magazine I come out before TV was so prevalent. You did have the magazine where you Hefner wake up with 10, where you Hefner wake up with 10 girls in bed one time. You understand what I say? So, I know phone culture, as me I say again, only accept it because society accept it. You understand what I say? So, me not accept that. Me not run with that. And enough of you when you say you alright or you like it, and you don't like it, it's just because it's all around and you can't resist it because you're weak. And naturally someone a girl clown. Because if a pretty girl calling and say, yo, man, get a threesome, you can't even hold it for say, girl, me no want that. Because you're frightened. The girl a hot star, she want me, she and her friend fuck for me. Frightened or not frightened, brother. No disrespect, but it's no girl, it's a frightened or not frightened. Weak. Man can resist them thing there. Man can tell the prettiest girl right now, go hide. Go sit down for yourself, big idiot girl. I don't know if you know, so the devil work through pretty people. Try remember that here. So if you're not strong boy, you know what I do.
Are you trying to say the devil work through me?
Yeah. Zine, I saw it go. But you don't have to understand them thing there, yeah. Can't force you know. But as long as me live, me will preach the right thing. Zine, if me can save one soul a year, I'm good. If me can enlighten one person every day for my life, me no busy. Me no want to enlighten the whole world one time, you know. Because me no God, you know. But me can try through my social media, through my thing them, me can try keep the positivity and the morality alive. You understand me I say? Yeah. Me no go foreign and go pick up a foreign though. Me go foreign with what Jamaica teach me. You see me? That you do wrong. You lose it. You go a foreign and pick up a foreign do. You see me? There's no way you can tell me say all of who are 30 now, 35, 36, 37, 40, 28, 30. You can't tell me say when you grow. Girl did a wind up on girl. When you go a Foota and barbecue and them think they're high school, they never seen a girl a wind up on a girl. And a boy fun them have. No, barbecue and Foota was boy wind up on girl and when souls are play a lock. Get a little cocky stiff up and hold day a wine. Wine till you wine out a whining. And you don't get no pussy, nothing at all. And you gone home happy. And the girl gone home happy. So me don't know where you pick up this thing from and I talk about, oh, we just having fun. You're not having fun. You're a hypocrite. You pick up what you see the Yankee them a do. And I try 15, you never even be yourself. You not try be yourself, you try be somebody else. And you shit by your own culture. You shit by your own culture where you grew up on to pick up something where the devil give one different culture. Me don't know where you learn this from, but me not learn it so. We used to go bird bush and them thing there. And dying for one little girl come a bird bush too. Who get to feel her up. So that used to glad. I said, blood clot. She a come with you today. Yes. Although you not get no pussy, just to wind up on her. You say, yes, I'm a girl. So we want to come from with this thing. And I thought about everybody do them own thing. Everybody, that another year thing what you do. Yellow wine pan girl is not your thing. Follow your follow. It's not our thing. You understand what I say? Need to get back to the roots, people. Get back to the roots, man. Get back to where the thing come from. We are Jamaican. Your address no make a change. All if you're there foreign, you're Jamaican, rude boy. Rude girl, you're Jamaican. Get back to the roots. Get back to what make Jamaica so proud. Alright, listen to me. No founder don't know this. But me I gotta tell you something. Jamaican culture is the #1 culture in the world. In our culture standings right now, Jamaica culture is #1. What is Jamaica culture? Our gangsterism, our food, our music, the way how we carry ourselves. That a go away, you know. You think so when you not step the thing and shake up the thing now, we're going to have the #1 culture? Is a reason why we have the #1 culture. People admire our realness and how we stay true to God and stay true with spirituality. That's what people love about Jamaican. We don't know mash up Jamaica thing. Everywhere you go in the world, people want to be Jamaican. Alright, big up every Caribbean country. But there's no other Caribbean country with such a strong influence in the world. Even Trinidad and Bajan and Haitian, them go on like them a Jamaican. Ask anybody. Every other island act like them a Jamaican dog. We have the strongest culture. Stop kill with culture. Please, me I beg you. Stop kill with culture, brother. Ladies, you destroy with image. This wind up and girl thing I destroy with image. You mash up the brand. You mash up brand Jamaica. You mash up with thing, dog. You mash up with thing. The image they will portray out there is not Jamaican. The image we put out there with girl a wine pan girl and girl a kiss up girl and girl is not Jamaican. It's not our thing. So if you say you're Jamaican and you represent Jamaica, stop doing that thing there. Because I'm a Jamaican something that you do. You're actually embarrassed with that. You already mash up a thing. I'm messing and mess up our culture, dog. You see me, the picture when I paint out there is no more, dog. Is no more, dog. I notice say, alright, hey, the more the things we wanna do. The more the things we wanna do, we mash up this thing. Jamaican don't have a dress code again, you know. Cause you know run down everything with the rapper them, you know. Some boy feel like say, throw a desert clocks cost 15 grand. Him not at if him in one desert clocks. But him go buy a Balenciaga for $1,500. Or a red bottom for $1,500 US. $150,000. And feel like him a represent Jamaica. You not represent Jamaica, brother. You not represent boy, yeah. You see me? Wanna start dressed like faggot. Some boy I see in a party all about them pants that down at them knee. The whole of them body wall out that door. How that represent Jamaica? How is that Jamaica? How are you representing brand Jamaica? Jamaica thing enough for your pants under your body wall. Some man wear large shirt and buy medium. And buy the tight pants. And then the pants not long enough for him. And the shirt can't hold in the pants because it's too small. So him body wall out the door. The whole like ass crack out the door. I walk in a party. Yardman, yardman. Yardman, your mother rude boy. A Likkle way and style that, a rapper style you use, and a Jamaican thing you deal with. You understand? You not lose it, brother. You not lose it. You see how some man say fashion them a deal with, and I paint them fingernail. Everything you see rapper do, you not pick it up. You're mad, man. And some of the artists will be blamed too. Because when Super Cat them around the place, a linen suit are rare. And them thing the Ninja man them and Sanchez and Pinchers and them man there. And we have our own style. When people see Jamaican artists on stage, them say, wow, how them a go so hard. Remember say all Slick Rick them, you know. They start just like Jamaican, you know. With linen suit and baiting, you know. Slick Rick and Big Daddy Kane them and the whole of them in a dark. So now lose it, dog. You now lose it. Me just a say. Me gonna be one of the youth them where everybody now go like. Me gonna be one of the youth them where enough people now go approve of Foota because them a live them dirty life and me not agree with it. See? But me there and me I try uphold the morality as much as me can do that. You see me? No, me not say you gonna see people in a linen in 2017, but Jamaica no longer have a fashion sense. Because all of the artists, them, all our superstars, them, are run for just like Drake, or just like Likkle, or just like Young Thug. We now have our own thing again. We now have our own style, our own pattern. You understand what I say? We now have our own flavor again. Nobody now want to see. Nobody now Google, YouTube to see, oh, Bumpa Clark, look how the artist did dress. You remember when Killer revolutionized black, and when Beanie addressed God, General B and Nitty Kochi and them man there. Them never dress like nobody else. When Monster Shock and Scare them come out with them own style, it work. You understand? So me say, me not say if you in a linen suit now, but create your own style. Still go get a suit, make. Still go do something to the thing when you're an artist. You understand what I say? You know, understand? Me a regular smaddy, me can't dress. You know, understand? But you have influential people who can dress. You understand what I say? Me can't dress. I'm still wear my little desert, I'm little something them more time. You see me? You understand? Me just say dog. The man them find back Jamaica, dog. The man them find back on the morality, dog. When you into this England, America, Canada lifestyle too much, dog. Like, it's showing on the action, it's showing on the way on to behave, it's showing on the way on a party, on a party like Jamaican again. You understand what I say? One time you used to have a girl back it up on a man and a go on. That's why Barry sing where one dance can do. A dance, Barry dance with a girl and fall in love with the girl. And at the same way, our girl can dance with a girl now and fall in love with her. That's why I not condone it. That skin to skin something they are rub upon one another. Me not condone that for woman and woman. Me not condone that for woman and woman. You understand? Because when woman wine for man, them cocky stiff up. So when woman wine for woman, I got my breast nipple, I go stiff up, she go start probably imagining her head say, I wonder if I can fuck Susie. Or, you know, it give thoughts in your head. So me down the notion from early. It nothing happen. The dance pan girl thing, nothing happen. And I see some of them a whole girl breast and a squeeze it and a stab her from back way. What you mean? What do you mean? When since woman not enjoy dancing with man again? When you no reach where, oh, me have more fun when me a wine for my best friend. What do you mean? I get it. I understand what you say. Some girl there with them man, and the man would have never wine for the girl. You and your woman go out. You pay how much money going to a party. You buy 15 bottle of champagne. Alright, you know, so some of them man don't even drink champagne. None of them man don't like how the champagne tastes, you know. But then buy 15 bottles just to say, oh, we balling. Because I saw rapper do it, so I saw you want to do it. You don't remember say Jamaica come from, man? So, even selected them now, where you see me at this. I not this, you know, because I want to fight in a career. If you don't want to think that I found a business, I at this, you know, in aspect of my culture. How I grow. Jamaica. That me I deal with. Jamaica. with morality, with culture, the way we carry ourselves on the international market. You understand? That me a this enough, brother. Can't have girl a girl in a dance and everything there. Not gonna tolerate it. Yeah, anyway. Shabba now. Shabba cut up over the whole best of the best thing. Big up Shabba, you know, I'm a brethren. And also somebody will book my film show every year. Big up Brother Foota. You know, big up the whole best of the best team. Shabba say him ban Dexter Daps from best of the best for life. See? I know you heard still Shabba, but that kind of harsh. You know? That kind of over the line. Because life is unpredictable. You understand what I'm saying? Life long. We have a long way ahead of it. See? No, we don't know when we are going to dead or how long we are going to live. So if you say you ban Dexter for the rest of his life, you know, I not really, I think that can, I don't think he mean it that way. I think he's just angry and just, you know, express himself because Dexter then piss him off and make him get be a bad name and make people want to war with him and the fans them want to kill him. More of the fans them want to kill him, you see me? So, you know, but that can't work out. And in the world, nobody not dead. You understand? That Shabba, Dexter, that's something that can't work out. Because next year can be the biggest thing, hottest thing worldwide, and we're going to need him for the show. So, him just know, so we straighten out the amenities and him try be on time, and we try pay them on time, and everything work. I show business, a human being here, you know. Everything not going to go perfect all the while, you know. You understand what I'm saying? So, me understand what Shabba dealing, and me understand what Dexter them are dealing. You understand what I say? So, it's just a misunderstanding, and I mean, I think that's something if you have a lifetime ban. You understand what I say? Because music greater than money, you see me? So, honestly, and Shabba know that type of youth, you know, that too. I think Shabba just hurt because everybody attack him. You understand what I say? Yeah, so big up Shabba, big up Dexter Daps, big up the whole crew. You know what I say? People may get one picture in my phone, you know. But you know, say me kind of think twice if me post it or not. You see me? Me get a picture with Jamil a hug up version baby mother. Right? Me don't know if that caused the war. Or the drama where I go on now. See? But me have the picture on my phone. Me never post it. Because I didn't want to talk to him about it first. You know a picture tell a million words. The picture don't tell me say Jamil and version baby mother they are in a something. She do, I think she do locks, like she locks, or she do nails. One of them something. So nothing more than she could have see Jamil long time. I could have not even know. Because she have version of the either. So even if she and Jamil in a something now, she have version of the a version baby mother, but version of the. So you understand me I say? So me don't know what to say about it. Cause me get them backlash there every day. So me I watch my baby mother and she mad me and me know them something the illusion. So me not gonna say boy version I watching baby mother or version vex with Jamil Chu. Him and I take a picture. You understand me? I say that don't mean nothing. And you can't hold something over a man's head where him and the woman left long time. You understand me? I say so. I just can't bother. That's why I don't even bother post the picture. Because I say, you know, this don't make no sense. This not really make no sense. Well, I live here got done, you know. So, you know the thing of people. Big up